Hi guys, welcome to this episode where we'll be finding the maximum number in a list of numbers. If you've been following the series, the last application we created was the one that calculated the total sum of numbers in a list. So if we run this code, for instance, we get to add 7 and 8, and let's say 9, press enter, it gives us the sum is this. And this is the particular line that prints that statement. Although it is called here, right? Now we want to find the maximum. All we have to do is to change sum here to max, because Python has a function maximum. So if we put 789 again, right? 789, let's run the code, put 789. The maximum in that list is 9, isn't it? So we're expecting 9. The sum of this is 9. All that is left is for us to change this to the maximum number of that is that. So if we run the code again, 789, the maximum number of 789 is 9. It's that easy.